from System Integrator magazine. We are at ESA 2023. We are at Meridian stand, and he today can show us the latest products.
Hi, thank you. Yeah, so this is our latest loudspeaker. It's born from our extreme engineering program. So this is 6 years of research and development to create our finest loudspeaker. So all of the loudspeakers that we make are designed, engineered, and manufactured in the UK in Huntingdon, so just north of Cambridge. The unique thing we do is DSP, so digital signal processing, built inside the loudspeaker. So this is a loudspeaker system, which means we have all of the amplification built into the product, but also all of the DSP. So we can have RCA, XLR, optical, coax, USB, Bluetooth, so anything can be connected to the loudspeaker. And we take the audio into the loudspeaker and we do what's called bespoke signal mapping. So we want to send signal to the sub-bass drivers, the bass driver, the mid and the high frequency. So we split the signal into those parts with our DSP processing, and then we've run a balanced digital feed into our DACs. So each drive unit has its own DAC, volume control, power amplifier. So this is our most powerful loudspeaker. Each one of these bass drivers has our own Class D amplifier with 240 watts. So we have 1,400 watts of power in the bass driver section. And then the mid and the high frequency, we have our own Class AB design, which is 150 watts for mid and then 150 watts for tweeters. So these are our biggest, most powerful loudspeakers. They weigh 115 kilograms. So it was quite good fun lifting into this position. And it's because the cabinet is very stiff and very strong. When you have that much power in the speaker, you need to make sure that you don't have vibrations. So we use force balance, so the bass drivers balance each other out. And it gives us tremendous performance. So this loudspeaker plays to 18 hertz minus 3 dB. So it has amazing room-filling power in the low frequency, but it's very fast and tight because of the force balance and because of our full frequency alignment technology. So the bass, mid and high frequency leave the speaker at the same time and they reach the listener at the same time. So yeah, that's our latest loudspeaker, finished in a custom paint finish, which we also offer. Integrators working with us, they send us the plans of the building and then we will design the system for them, make sure we have the right loudspeakers in the right locations, we have the right sound pressure levels that we're trying to aim for. This is a complimentary service which we create for the partners. So when they present to the client, they can see that they've worked with Meridian on the project to make sure they get the best results. So we've seen the in-room loudspeakers that we have. The most popular range of speakers that we make is the architectural series. Custom integrators really like to have the speakers hidden in the wall. So that a number of challenges. One, 10 centimeter wall depth, which means you can't have a big cabinet. And ideally you want a big cabinet to get good energy into the room. The other one is that you want to be able to have the sound travel a long distance in the home, maybe 100 meters, 150 meters from one space to the other space. So we use an RJ45 cable for our signal. So it's, again, balanced digital. So we could run 150 meters without loss of or distortion of the signal. Inside, same thing, 5 100 watt amplifiers, one for each drive unit. The control that we have means that from this small box, I know it's big that way, this plays down to 30 hertz, which is really low sub-bass for an architectural loudspeaker. And with the power that we also have 120 decibels at 1 meter. So this could be used in rooms which are 6 or 7 meters in depth, LCR for cinema, or a pair either side of a TV screen in the living room. And you also have an architectural subwoofer. So again, 10 centimeters deep. And that extends the bass frequency down to 24 hertz. Big, powerful sound, but in a real small space. So the architectural series for us is the most popular range that we sell. All of the loudspeakers that we make are powered by various preamplifiers. We call them controllers. The most popular one is this compact one here. You can fit 2 in one U, so you can do 2 rooms. You can run 4 speakers, 2 subwoofers, You have lip sync delay available. It's control drivers for Crestron, Savant, Elan, RTI, Control 4. So it's very easy for the integrator to control the system as well. Then we have the theatre controller. So this connects the processor, maybe a Trinorv or a Storm processor, into this product and then out to the Meridian speakers. So this makes it easy for the integrator to use whatever processor they like, but with the Meridian loudspeaker as well. And again, 5-year warranty on all of these, all manufactured in the UK.